suppose we have this. Suppose we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals and fractions. The recommended approach is convert the fraction into a decimal and then add the decimals. Now, this one's a mixed number. So a mixed number is really 5 plus 1/4, and then we have our 0.35 or 35 hundredths. So we can add these two. We could call this 5.0 if we want to. So 5.0 plus 1/4 plus 0.35. What we need to do is convert the fraction. And what we do is we use division. So 1/4, 1 divided by 4. And so again, the first number goes on the inside, second number on the outside. 4 won't go into 1, so we'll send it into a pretend 10 or 1.0. Copy our decimal. We get 4. Into 1.0 or our pretend 10. Now I'm putting some extra steps here, and I just want to continue doing this. So I just sort of reinforce the pattern for doing long division with decimals. But if you feel comfortable dropping some of these steps, that's okay. But I'll put in the extra steps just to remind everybody that this is the pattern that we're following. Okay, so 4 goes into our pretend 10 at most 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8, subtract is 2, and let's keep going. 4 goes into 20, 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, subtract is 0. So we've converted 1/4 into 0.25. So now this number is 5.0 plus 0.25 plus 0.35. We'll add these. And remember, when we're adding decimals, we line up our decimal points. So we got a gap. Let's put in a 0. There we go. And then we'll keep the decimals aligned in our answer. Now we add 0, 5, and 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Then 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. And so the answer, 5.60, or we could say 5.6. We can remove that 0 as long as it's not a significant digit, which we haven't talked about yet. We'll get to those in chapter 5. So that's it. Any questions? Let me know.